All right, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and learn about graphing x equals equations. Okay, so notice x equals with the question mark because that depends on the number that's being plugged in. But in this particular case, there are no y values whatsoever. All right, the big idea here is all x equals equations will go up and down. So all x equals equations will go up and down. Up and down. If it doesn't, we did something wrong. Okay, all x equations, or all x equals equations will go up and down, period there. All right, let's graph two of these and see how we did. See if the big idea is going to work for us. All right, two ways of doing this. Way number one is you can locate x equals 3 on the graph. So notice the x-axis is the axis going side to side. And what we need to do is locate x is positive 3. So notice here, they're all labeled out very nicely. Positive to the right, negative to the left. We are locating a positive 3, which happens to land right there. But x equals 3 is a line, and we're going to go up and down through these points. Okay, so basically we're going to cross the x-axis. Okay, cross the x-axis. All right, the other way too is we can create a function table. So we have x and y. Notice the x values are always locked in at 3. It says x equals 3, so we can't change that. So if I pick 3 points, all x's got to be at 3's. The y equals could be whatever you want. We can do 0, a negative number, let's say negative 3, and positive 3, we can do positive 5. That'll work out nice there. All right, so we're going to check and see that these 3 points creating our function table here will land on our line that we created earlier. So starting with positive 3, we're going to go over 3. 1, 2, 3. Do not go up or down. So this particular point is at 3 and 0. Next, we have 3 and negative 3. So over 3. 1, 2, 3. Down 3. 1, 2, 3. Lands right there. So we have 3 and negative 3. And our last point, we have 3 and positive 5. Over 3. 1, 2, 3. Positive 5, up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lands right there. So notice that graph works very nicely. Good to go there. And our blue equation, we have x equals negative 5. So x equals negative 5. We're going to go ahead and locate the x-axis, which is going from side to side. And we're going to go back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 5 lands right there. We're going to go up and down to cross the point, which completes our big idea that all x equations will go up and down. And to double check it that we got it right, we're going to go ahead and create a function table. So we got x or y. Alright, so x's are going to be locked in at negative 5. Can't change that. Negative 5, negative 5, negative 5. And the y values can be whatever you want. You choose. So you can go 0 is always good. Pick a positive number like 3. And pick a negative number. So let's go positive to negative 3, positive 5. Okay, we're going to see if those land on the line. So notice that we always start off by going to the left, negative 5. So to the left, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go up nothing or down nothing. So that this point right here is going to land at negative 5 and 0. Next up, we go back 5, down 3. Back 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 3. 1, 2, 3 lands right here. So we got negative 5, negative 3. And the opposite, instead of going down, we can go up, positive 5. So same thing here. We're going to go back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But go up 5 because it's positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this point lands right here. So negative 5, comma, positive 5. Alright, this concludes graphing x equals equations. Okay, so for the orange, the green, and the black equation, those are for you to go ahead and work out.